Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all good and enjoying your winter vacations. This is the lecture for class 6 subject English. Today I am going to give you some instructions about the winter task, that is your winter task. Let's have a look on it. First you have to purchase your Skylark English Grammar Book 8, and we have all the grammar concepts taken from this book 8. After that you have the poem and words meaning, and you will make the sentences on your notebook. After that we have summary, you will have to learn it by heart, and after that write on your notebooks. These are question answers, you should have to learn it by heart. After that you have some book activities, and you have keys here, just keys here, and you will solve it on your books, and after that you will learn it by heart. If there are some definitions like phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective phrase, so you should have to learn it by heart, and after that you will solve these exercises on your book and learn it by heart. These are all keys of poem exercises. And after that we have composition, that will be written on your notebook, and that is just a pattern of the letter. After that we have the grammar portion, and there is an activity: take any reading paragraph from book and write on notebook. After that find it parts of speech. Your own choice, you will take any paragraph from your reading book, and after that you will mention the parts of speech. What is noun, what is pronoun, is there any material noun, is there adjective pronoun, interrogative pronouns, conjunctions, interjections, etc. Okay, that is your activity, and when you will write it you will enjoy a lot. These are the grammar portion concepts, and these are taken from the Skylark Grammar Book 8. These are the pages. First you have to learn what is conjunctions and the types. After that moral, story, beware of flattery, essay, my favorite hobby, and you have to make the outlines to your own self. Now I am going to give you some detail about the perfect tenses. What are perfect tenses? So it will help you in your practice as well. After learn from the book perfect tenses definition and formation, you will solve and you will practice on book Skylark book exercises on your notebooks. Okay, clear? So students, have a look on perfect tenses. We will define it, and after that we will learn the formation and then examples. First, recall, what does tense mean? Tense means to indicate time. So perfect tenses means recently finished, the action that will be recently finished. It means that action recently finished, either it is present, past or future. And we use third form of verb for perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Past participle, third form of verb. Past participle, third form of verb. Students, have a look on present perfect table. Present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. In present perfect we have formation helping verbs has and have with third form of verb. Past perfect, had plus third form of verb. Future perfect, will have, shall have plus third form of verb. So question is where we use has and where we use have. Has is used for he, she, it, means third person singulars and also with singular subjects. And have is used with third person plural they, and second person you, and third person I and we. And with had we use with all subjects had. And shall have we use with I and we, and we use will have with all the subjects. Clear? So I have an example for you. I have done my work, I had not done my work, I shall have done my work. Present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. So this is a table, and I am